Hello everyone, and welcome back to PasswordLab. Today we are going to install PasswordLab on the Ubuntu 24 LTS server. Before we kick off the installation process, we need to fulfill 3 requirements. We need a freshly installed Ubuntu LTS server with root access, a valid PasswordLab license and SMTP login details for the emails. I have everything ready with me, so let's start the installation. Let's log on to the server with the root user. Now, with the help of the curl and bash command, we will execute our Ubuntu installation script. This script will check the system and install all the necessary packages. Now that the installation is completed, please note down the database login details shown on the screen, as this information will be used later. Let's open the software and make the final configuration before it's ready for users. First, let's agree to the terms and conditions. Next is the place where we are going to enter our valid PasswordLab license details. Now it's time to enter the database details. We will be using the same login details shown on the previous screen. Next, we will enter the SMTP login details. The software will use this email account to send 2 FA codes and various notifications to its users. Here, we will create an administrator account. This account will manage the entire software and its users. Later, we will use this account to onboard our team members. At this stage, you should have received an OTP at your provided administrator email address. Let's enter it and proceed. This is the crucial step. We are creating our master vault, and that master vault is protected by 5 master keys. To receive the master keys, enter the 5 trusted individuals' email addresses. For the sake of the demo, I am entering the same email address for all 5 key holders. Still, we highly advise you to provide 5 different email addresses. Now, let's sit back and let the software do its magic. The software is now creating a database, vault, administrator account, and other essential stuff for you. Excellent. The configuration is completed, and we need to restart PasswordLab service so that it takes effect. Finally, our software is ready to use. I hope you enjoyed our installation walkthrough. You can also check our docs for a more detailed explanation. See you in the next video.